Hey all, it's Jeff with Homework. Hey, doing a quick home project today. Something I see on a lot of my home inspections is negative grading. It's where the ground slopes towards the foundation wall, immediately next to the foundation. And a lot of times you'll see, like up behind me, do you see my gutter up there, how it hits the side of the house? If those get overfull of heavy rain, or if they're clogged, it overflows, pounds the ground, wears it down, creating a depression near the foundation where later water can seep in. And I see a lot of leaching of minerals through the foundation walls called efflorescence. I see a lot of water intrusion. I see termite damage near foundation components there that are made of wood. So I'm going to show you real quick how it's worn mine away, and I'm going to fix it with 2 or 3 bags of topsoil, pound it down with the 2x4, and I'll put some mulch over it. And I've got another one I'm about to do a video on to share with you guys too, where water has washed away the inside of a rock bed. And I'm going to put landscape fabric there to hold dirt in place that I'm going to replace. So let me show you real quick though down below what this looks like. Sorry for the disrupted video, but look for the yellow pole. That's where the foundation paint was originally. Dirt was up to here, and yet it's worn away. And I filled this a couple of times in the last 3 years since I've lived here, but it's down 5 to 6 inches in the back. So I'll be adding 2 or 3 bags of topsoil, pounding it down with the 2x4, adding mulch, and I'll show you the next chapter in just a moment. Okay guys, quick after shot. So I wound up adding 2 bags of topsoil, which is 4 cubic feet, just in that little 10-inch by 2-foot area. So I had a lot of that, added some mulch. I actually used one of those topsoil bags as plastic under the mulch, so you'll see what it looks like. This is actually 8 inches higher than it was, and I stay on top of this. So if you've got locations like this where the gutters hit against the house, double check the ground below, make sure it's no negative grading there. Add soil, plastic, and ideally rubber mulch next to your foundation. I do that in some areas. I didn't for this project, but that's my intention on areas where there's wood near the ground. So I'm going to show you one more time. You can see how it's going down. All that is, it's up to here now. It was literally 8 inches. It was 2.5 bricks below that. So that's 2 bags of topsoil, the mulch is back, and the plastic liner from the bag, which I'll show you just underneath here. I just buried it, so when water hits there, it's gonna go through the mulch, hit the plastic, and run towards the plants and downstream here, which then that has slope away from the house. Make sense? Thanks, bye.